Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing an accelerator pump for a 650 CFM Holley Double Pumper on this 71 Chevy Monte Carlo. Alright, I've been having hard starts. Here's the accelerator pump right there in the corner. So it's real accessible. You can see the leakage there. A little bit on my finger there, dirty fuel. So we're just going to go ahead and take it off. Four little screws right there. We do try this little screwdriver and it doesn't fit. It's not gonna work. So as small as it is, we're gonna try something else. All right, here's a bit. Here's a Phillips bit. I tried this vice grip here. I noticed right away the spring is in the way, so we're gonna take that off. All right, that swings out of the way easy. So we try the vice grip on here. It fits into the screw here, but yeah, that vice grip is too big. That's not gonna work as well. All right. So next up is this ratcheting wrench, quarter size, so it can fit this bit. It slips off at the end, so I put a little tape in the back, and it's still coming out the back, so you have to hold it. It does work to unscrew the first two. So I did number one, and I did number two. But as I get to the back, I noticed that these back ones are not accessible. All right, this spacer here, yeah, it's you can't reach them, so I'm gonna have to take it off. Take off this carburetor after all. All right, so if you have this set up, there's the four nuts all the way around, half-inch socket. So I'm not gonna undo the fuel lines. They stay in place. I don't have to re-seal them and all that. So we're just gonna move the carburetor. This double fuel line also has a rubber line that's flexible, so I can move the carburetor just like that. All right, all nuts are off. So I am gonna put a cardboard under this carburetor, and that's to avoid the carburetor surface on the bottom being scratched by those studs. All right, so now it is accessible, and I'm using that original screwdriver. It fits there nicely now. So all four screws are coming out easily. Now that it's loose, I see the fuel coming out, so we have to catch that fuel. All right, so accelerator pump is out. It is not torn or anything, but it definitely looks nice and worn and depleted, and it's just not doing its job. So here's a new one. And if you can pause and check out that part number, that can work for you. It fit in there nicely. All right. So I did clean that little metal case with carburetor cleaner. That's something I'm not gonna show, but I did do that. And put this in, flipping it just like that down onto the case, spring, and then 4 screws, and it's reverse of installation. So it's back on. There it is. Hope you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.